Morning students, today we are going to learn the use of rational number. We have already learned so much about rational number. How do we add these two numbers? How will we subtract these numbers? Now we are going to understand where do we implement these rational number. So talking about that, we have already studied in 7th standard about the same by coming across a few of the word problems. Now we are going to solve a few more. Okay, look at the first question number of exercise 1.6. Listen students, I am leaving exercise 1.5 because I don't find its use. So jumping over the exercise 1.6. Look at the first question. In a bag, there are 20 kgs of fruits. We have in whole 20 kgs of fruit, out of which 7 1 by 6 kg of fruits are orange and 8 2 by 3 kg of these fruits are apple and rest are grapes. Find the mass of the grapes in the bag. Means we are having a basket having three types of fruits. In this question, it is said that the total weight of the basket is, or the total amount of fruit is 20 kgs, out of which 7 1 by 6 kg or 43 by 6 kgs are, writing it in proper form, 43 by 6 kgs are oranges. So we know the weight of oranges, and 8 2 by 3 is equals to 26 by 3 kgs are apple. We also know the weight of apples. We already know that हमें टोटल वेट पता है 20 kgs, हमें एप्पल का वेट पता है, हमें ऑरेंज का वेट पता है, हमें ग्रेप्स का पता करना है. हाउ डू वी फाइंड? वी विल एड दीज द वेट्स ऑफ दीज टू फ्रूट्स, एप्पल एंड ऑरेंजेस, एंड subtract from the total weight. We will get the answer. Got it easy? As per the statement, the weight of all these three when included comes to 20 kg. I added the weight of these two and now subtracting it from 20. 6 into 20 is equals to 120 minus 9. So the weight of grapes is 4 1 by 6 kgs. इन दोनों को ऐड किया और इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, ओवरऑल वैल्यू से हमें इसकी वैल्यू मिल गई. इट इज़ एज इजी एज दैट. Now look at the question number 2. The population of a city is 6,63,432. Overall population, out of which half of the population are male, 1/3 of the population are female, and both are adult. ठीक है? Then we need to find the number of children in the city. Means एक population क्या क्या इंक्लूड करिए? टोटल नंबर ऑफ बड़े लोग, एडल्ट मेल्स, एडल्ट फीमेल एंड चिल्ड्रेन. ऑल थ्री will equal to the number of all three adult male, adult female and children is equals to 6,63,432. Okay, we already know the fraction of the adult male and the adult female. All we need to find the number of the children. For finding the number of the children, we will add the fraction of the adult male, adult female, and subtract this from 1. Then we will find the number of the children. Here it is given 1 by 2 means total population का half. 1 by 2 मतलब एक का आधा पार्ट. एक कोई प्रोडक्ट है उसका 1/3 पार्ट. ठीक है? So overall the whole value will be 1. All the three things will include together and make 1. ठीक है? Here the children are not known, so I give them identity x. Adding all these three will come 1 on adding, but here the third number is not known, so what we this is the fraction of children. Now taking this 5.6 on this side and subtracting from 1. You can understand like total population का 1/6 part क्या है, बच्चे हैं. So we will try to find the 1/6 part of this total population. So the total number of the children is 1,10,572. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you an important part of rational number. Whenever you have two things, suppose a basket having orange and mangoes, and it is said that the basket is having 1/4 of mangoes, and you need to find the fraction of 1/4 of oranges, and you need to find the fraction of mangoes. In that case, how will you find the fraction of mangoes? I'm going to explain you this. You will keep 1. कोई भी वैल्यू ओवरऑल 1 होती है. 1 में से दिए हुए फ्रैक्शन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे एंड यू विल गेट द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मैंगोज प्रेजेंट इन द बास्केट. ठीक है. Whenever you are having two values, like in a boys are 1/3. Now it is asked how many girls are present. You will try to find the fraction first. 1/3 of the total class is boys. Everything in itself is 1. हर चीज़ अपने आप में 1 है. फ्रैक्शन की टोटल वैल्यू जो होती है 1 मान के चलेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ फाइंडिंग द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ गर्ल्स. 1 minus 1/3. हाउ मैनी, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ गर्ल्स नाउ? 2/3. 1/3 boys and 2/3 girls together make a class of 90. Now the number of boys is multiplied by 90. Number of girls is multiplied by 90. It is 60 girls are there and 30 boys are there. Getting my point? Suppose now you are having let's understand this example. Here you are having 3 types of marbles in a box. Okay. A box is containing 5/6 of red marbles, 3/2 of green marbles and blue marbles also. But it is not known how much marbles are there. In that case, you will add these two value, okay, and subtract this value from 1. 1 minus 5/6 प्लस 3/2. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, 1 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. बेटा एक वैल्यू नोन है, एक नहीं नोन है. इन दैट केस जो भी फ्रैक्शन जो तुम्हें नोन है उसको तुम 1 से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, अदर फ्रैक्शन निकल आएगा. भले ही 3 वैल्यूज़ हो, 4 वैल्यूज़ हो, 4 वैल्यूज़ हैं उसमें से तुम्हें 3 पता है, तुम तीनों को ऐड करो और 1 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. ठीक है. इट इज़ द ईजिएस्ट वे ऑफ नोइंग द फ्रैक्शन. मूविंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इन एन एग्जामिनेशन 400 स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर. ओके. टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वर 400. 2/3 of the boys and all 130 girls are passed in the examination. Find how many boys failed in the examination. Here the thing is to notice is all 130 girls are passed. Here it is already given all 130 girls. Means the total number of girls in the class is 130. 400 students are there. 130 are out of which 130 are girls. So the number of boys will be 400 minus 130. 270 is the number of the boys. 270 boys are there. 270 boys are there, out of which 2/3 of the boys are already passed. तो अब हमें failed number of boys पता करना है. What we will do? We will subtract this 2/3. 1 minus 2/3. इसको हम 1 से माइनस करेंगे, हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? failed fraction of the failed ratio number failed boys. So 1 minus 2/3 is equals to 1/3. 1/3 of the boys are failed. So 270 divided by 1/3, we will get 90 is the number of the failed boys. Try to solve this question by your own, and I know that you can solve this question very easily. सो ओवरऑल फ्रैक्शन, टोटल फ्रैक्शन कितना होता है जब ऐड करेंगे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वैल्यूज़ के हमारे पास टोटल पार्ट्स दिए हुए हैं, उनको मिला करके 1 होता है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अगर हमें एक वैल्यू नोन है और एक नहीं पता है तो दूसरी वैल्यू को पता करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम, 1 माइनस और जो भी फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ है उससे. लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन. अ कार इज मूविंग विद द स्पीड ऑफ 42/3 किलोमीटर. 42/3 kilometer is a mixed fraction. In proper form it will be 122/3. How much distance will it cover in 9/10 hours? Time is given. Time is already given. Speed is given. You need to find the distance. Use formula speed is equals to distance upon time. Here you need to find the distance. Here the distance is not known, time is given, speed is given, multiply these two, you will get the answer. So I think it is easy for you to find. Do it in your homework. Look at question number 5. Find the area of a square lawn whose one side is 9, 5, 7 by 9. So it is in mixed form. How we will write? 9 5s are 45 plus 5 is equals to 52 upon 9. So square lawn, here it is given, it is square lawn, so it is 52 by, and one side is 52/9. बेटा जब स्क्वायर लॉन है तो सारी साइड्स इसकी सेम नहीं होगी. एरिया यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड द एरिया बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 52/9 इंटू 52/9. एरिया क्या होता है, साइड इंटू साइड होगा. वन साइड इज ऑलरेडी नोन, the other side will be same as the first side क्योंकि it's a square. 52/9 into 52/9 you will get a value which is 2704/81. Divide those value, you will get the area of the lawn. Okay, I hope you can solve this question also. If you find any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Still you try to find the solution of these question by yourself. Look at question number 6. Perimeter of a rectangle is 15 3/7. If length is this, find its breadth. So we all know that perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. Here the length is given. Putting the in place of breadth, we will place X and we will do the calculation and find the breadth of that particular rectangle. Perimeter is equals to 108/7. Length is equals to 30/7. Perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, putting the values here, breadth is not known, so I put B. Now I will multiply this 2 to this side. This will become 60/7, and here it is 108/7. Taking this 60/7 on this side, it will be subtracted from 108. In turn you will get 48 इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, you get 48/7 is equals to 2b. The value of b will be find out by dividing this value with 2. Okay, now you will try to find the value of breadth. It is I am marking as homework. You need to find the breadth. Okay, look at this question number 7. Rahul had a rope which is 325 4/5 meter long. He cut off 150 3/5 meter long piece. Then he divided the rest of the rope in 3 equal parts. Find the length of each piece. It is very easy. Subtract this 150 3/5 from 325 4/7. Subtract here, you will get an answer. Divide that particular answer with 3. You will find the length of each part of the rope. Here given the length of the rope is 325 4/5 meter, or we can say when we convert it in proper fraction form it will be 1629/5. Part of rope cut off, कितना cut off किया, we cut off 353/5 meter of rope. The length of the rope left, we deducted this much part. How much we left with? we will subtract these two, we will get the length of the rope we are left with. Subtract these two, it is very easy. 1629, here the base is common, subtract these two, you will 876 by 5 is the length of the rope you are left with. Now the question is, we need to find, we divided this rest of the length in 3 parts, so we need to find the length of each part. Divide this by 3, you will get the length of, isko we divided this with 3. Now dividing 876 by 15, we get length of each part is 58 2 by 5 meter. Here is the answer. This question number 8 is really very easy. If 1 by 2 liter of petrol costs rupees 273 by 8, find the cost for 4. Simply better convert it into proper form, okay, and convert it into its original form. You will divide this with this number and then multiply with 4, you will get the answer 309. It is really very easy, try to solve it on your own. So I'm marking this one as homework. रमेश अर्न 40,000 पर मंथ. रमेश एक पर्सन है जो कि 40,000 महीने में पाता है, ठीक है. ही स्पेंड 3/8 ऑफ हिज इनकम ऑन फूड. 3/8 amount of 40,000 he is spending on food. He is spending whatever, after subtracting 3/8 of the income, whatever it will come from 40,000, the remaining amount, 1/5 of the remaining amount he is spending on LIC premium. Now the amount which he is spending on LIC premium, he is removing that from the per month salary. Again, whatever is left, out of which half he is remaining on the other expenses. What we need to find, how much money he is left with at the end of the day. Total salary is 40,000. 3/8 of the salary he is spending on food. अब जो बाकी बची सैलरी, उसमें से बाकी बची सैलरी का 1/5 इज स्पेंडिंग ऑन LIC प्रीमियम. फिर उसको देने के बाद जो बाकी बची सैलरी, उसका 1/2 ही इज स्पेंडिंग ऑन द अदर एक्सपेंसेस. व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड इज द अमाउंट ही इज लेफ्ट विद. ओके, स्पेंडिंग अमाउंट ऑफ फूड इज 3/8 ऑफ द सैलरी. दैट इज योर 8 5s are 40 and 5 3s are 15. The amount Ramesh is spending on LIC is 1/5 of the remaining amount. So 1/5 of the remaining amount is 40,000 minus 15. That is means he is spending 5,000 on LIC. Ramesh is spending on the others is half of the left amount. 40,000 minus 15,000 plus 5,000. 40,000 minus 15 plus 5, 20,000 is spending rupees 10,000 on the others. Okay, now the amount he is left, so the amount he is left with 40,000 minus all the amount he spent is 10,000 rupees. This is the answer. The overall value is 1. I told you हर चीज़ को 1 मानते हैं. सबसे पहले जो ओवरऑल वैल्यू होती है वो 1 होती है. A, B, C, D, E went to a restaurant. These are 5 people. They went to a restaurant. A paid half of the bill. B paid 1/5 of the bill, and the rest of the bill was shared equally by C, D, E. What fraction of the bill is paid by each? हर चीज़ होलसम 1 होती है, उसमें से हम लोग पार्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. I taught you in the. Now it is okay. Total bill is equals to A's bill plus B's bill plus other 3's bill. As it is the bill of the 3, I put a 3 equals to 3x. Now subtracting this, 10 minus 7 is equals to 3 upon 10x. 10 is equals to 3 each. Here we need to find the bill paid by each. So the bill paid by CDE is 1/10. ओके, 3 लोगों ने कितना बिल दिया था 3/10 और each person paid 1/10 of the bill. Now the question number 9 is complete.